Hello everyone and welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today I'm going to make you do something which is interesting and creative, right? So what I'm going to train you today is how you people can make a code, and then you will be able to download this code on a microbit, and then accordingly you will see something interesting that this code is going to do today. Okay, so we are going to use Microsoft Make Code today in order to generate a code, and then accordingly it can be used in multiple format that I'm going to show you today. Okay, so for that what you people have to do is you people need to access this link. Please see that there in front of you. You need to go to the browser and enter over there makecode.microbit.org and then a forward slash. So please ensure, go ahead and type in, open any browser whichever you people want to access it, and then you will be typing in over there https:// makecode.microbit.org. Now, for those people who do not know what is a microbit, microbit is an ARM based embedded system in which we people are going to generate a code. Actually, we will be generating over here on this website, and then we will be downloading this code on the microbit, and then we will see interesting thing that this code is going to do today. Okay, all right. And what I'm going to train you today is how to make a flashing heart. Yes, absolutely. So what we people are going to generate a code today is how you people can go ahead, generate a flashing heart code, and then accordingly that code can be downloaded on a microbit and you people can use it all together. So let's quickly go ahead, and as I've stated that you need to access the website. So this is how the website will look like once you people are there on makecode.microbit.org. And since we will be proceeding ahead with flashing heart today, so what you people have to do is once you will be there on the website, you have to click on this flashing heart over here, and once you will click on the flashing heart people, it is going to take you to this site. Okay, so this is how the things are going to look like. So we are going to go ahead, we will be proceeding ahead step by step. You people can open your browser, you people can generate a code and do the step exactly as the way that I'm doing in front of you, and then we people are going to generate a code, and then we will design a code today how to make a flashing heart out of it. Okay, so let's quickly start over. So once this pop-up screen is there in front of you, you people can click on OK. Alright, so this is the screen on which exactly people we are going to use, and we are going to type in the basic commands. And I need to tell you one thing, that once you people are going to use this Microsoft Make Code for designing a code, it will give you multiple languages like Python will also be available and JavaScript will also be available. So it is your choice what exactly you want to choose it. You can select on either the Python as an option, or else you people can go ahead and select on the JavaScript as an option, and then accordingly the screen will be open in front of you. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead, and as I've stated, so whatever code we are going to generate, this is the preview of it. So I'll let you know what exactly the preview thing has to do. Okay, so I will be going ahead and I will be telling you how exactly things need to work, and this is the flashing heart that you people are going to generate today. Okay, now first and foremost, in this one which is written, we are going to first of all enter the command. You can see it over here. So the command is basic dot show icon. So it is basic dot. Okay, so even in case people, once you people are typing in like basics dot show icon, it will automatically show you in the drop down list. You can go ahead and click it from there also. So you need to select this command, which is the third command, which is basic dot show icon, and you can go ahead and you can select enter. So you have already selected that this is the icon heart that I'm going to go ahead, and then I have to punch in the next command. Okay, now since this is a tutorial, so in the beauty of this make code and the Microsoft Make Code is it will take you through the step by step tutorial, and that is how I am going to train you today. So my first step is complete. My first step say that I need to show the basic show icon of the step heart. So once I have typed in the step 1, I can go ahead and preview it over here. See, this is what I'm going to do it. So at this moment this is not blinking because I have not kept the commands in loop. yet, right? It is only one specific command that I've entered, so it is showing me that it is going, the icon is going to look something like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and punch in the next command, which is going to be the second command. So the second command that we people have to type in is, now what I need is, I again need a basic. You can go ahead and type in basics dot, so it is basics dot, and then show icon. So you can click on this show icon over here, people. Go ahead and click it, and in any case if there is a problem which occurs during the type in, you can go ahead and click on the problem. It will automatically resolve. Now what I need, what is my motto? My motto is that I need a blinking heart altogether. So I've put in basics dot show icon. The next step that I'm going to put in is basics dot clear screen. Okay, so that means it should go. So it is basics dot clear screen, which is the third option. I may go ahead and select it. Okay, so that means my heart will come, my heart will go. So let's see over here what exactly is it doing. So you can go ahead and you can see it. See, your heart is coming, your heart is going, but it need to come back again, right? So that means I have to pause this particular command for a specific setting. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and then I will type in over there basics dot pause. Okay, so you can go ahead and click on basics dot pause, which is the first command. Okay, and then I need the pause to be exactly for 500. Okay, so I will go ahead and I will put it as 500 milliseconds over here. So let's see exactly, we go ahead and see in the preview thing what exactly this command is doing, all the four commands that we people have punched in. Okay, so you can see that the heart came, then the heart went out. Okay, now it need to come back again. So when it needs to come back again, people, that means I have to put these command in loop. Okay, till the time the commands they are not there in loop, my blinking thing will not is not going to happen. So what I can go ahead is, I can go ahead, click enter from the keyboard. My next step is going to come, and in my next step I have to put in these commands again. Okay, so let's go ahead and type in these commands once again. Again I need the heart to come back again, so I will type in basics dot show icon. So I can go ahead, I can select this. So basics dot show icon, you can click on the problem and then it will automatically take care of it. So now my heart is back again, and then I need the clear screen option once again. So basics dot clear screen, so you can go ahead and click on the clear screen, which is an option over there. Okay, again you can click on the problem, it will automatically take out the error whichever was there in the typing. My next command is going to be, then there has to be a pause, a mini pause, basics dot pause. Okay, alright, so I will go ahead and then I have to change it to 500 milliseconds. Okay, 500. Alright, okay, alright, and then I can click on the problem. It was going to take my problem out, and again I need the heart back again. So again it would be basics dot show icon. I can go ahead, select this command once again, click on the problem, it will automatically take the thing out, and again I need the blank screen again. So basics dot clear screen, clear screen. Okay, you can go ahead and then you can click on the problem in the typing, it is going to take that thing out. Hit enter from the keyboard. Okay, alright, and so now what I'm going to do is, so what we have done is, so far that we have done this basics dot this thing, basics dot clear screen is there, and then basics dot pause is there. Okay, alright, and then we are going to, after the clear screen, it is going to be basics dot pause. Okay, alright, so what I can do it over here is, I can go ahead and I need a small heart, small heart. Okay, clear screen. After clear screen, it's a pause thing which should happen. Okay, so it is basic dot pause. Alright, how much pause do I need? 500 milliseconds. So I'll quickly go ahead, change it to 500 milliseconds altogether, people. Okay, So this thing is done. Let's quickly preview what exactly is happening. So this is what is going to happen. So you can see, alright, so this is what exactly is happening as of now. And now, and whatever commands I have typed in so far, I need the commands, to be typed in once again. So we will go ahead, and then my next command is going to be, alright, so again we are going to type in basic dot show icon. Okay, alright, so I can go ahead, click on the problem. It is automatically going to take out my typo error. And then basics dot clear screen. Okay, dot clear screen, let's go ahead with that. Alright, next step, hit enter from the keyboard. Then we are going to type in basic dot pause. Let's quickly select that. We will change this thing to 500 milliseconds, people. Right, okay, and then let's go ahead, and then it's basics dot show icon. Right, we will go ahead, and this time I need a small heart over here. So I'll quickly go ahead, type in small over here, and once the heart comes, then it has to go. So that means it should be a clear screen. Basics dot clear screen, go ahead, type in. Alright, click on the problem marker. It is going to take the typo error. Hit the screen once again. Then there has to be a pause. Okay, basics dot pause, go ahead and select it from done from the bottom, change it to 500 milliseconds. And then again basics dot, okay, show icon. Right, you can go ahead and select from here. Okay, you can go ahead, then alright, so this command is there. And next, then we are going to, that is, we have to do this looping forever. Okay, so after the 17th command is done, people, what we are going to do is we are going to put this command like this. Okay, hit enter from the keyboard. So it should be basic dot forever. Okay, basics dot forever. Alright, okay, you can take this, click over here, the problem. Okay, alright, let me just go ahead and quickly fix it. Alright, so we are going to type in basics dot forever function, people. Alright, once you have done the basic forever function, again now in this basic forever function I have to type in the entire command which is going to be there in loop, because I have to create a forever loop. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in over there basic dot show icon. Okay, I can select it from here, and then hit enter from the keyboard, and then basics dot clear screen. Why? Because then first the heart has to come and then heart has to go. Alright, you can go ahead and quickly select on this. Then there has to be a pause, basics dot pause, go ahead and select pause. My pause has to be for 500 milliseconds. Okay, and after that basic dot and show icon. Right, I will go ahead, click on show icon, and I need my small heart over there. I can go ahead and type in, then basic dot, alright, so first the heart has now come, then the heart has to go, so that means it should be a clear screen. So go ahead and type in clear screen, click on the problem marker. It's going to take the typo error, and now there has to be a pause. So basic dot pause. Alright, I'll go ahead, click on the pause, and my pause has to be of 500 millisecond. I'll quickly go ahead and change it. Now you can see that this basic forever command that I've typed in, which was my command number 18th, there is a bracket which is starting, and then everything that I've typed is it's within the bracket. So this is a forever loop that I've created, due to which my heart will constantly keep on blinking. Let me just show you a preview of it also. So you can go ahead, and this is the preview screen, people. You can go ahead and click on play. So you can see that this is what exactly the thing is going to happen. So alright, so you can go ahead and see it. So this is how the things are going to happen, people. So this is how the blinking of the heart is going to happen once. So my loop is already created now, people. My, that is, the code is already generated. My code is ready to go now. what exactly I have to do is, once my entire code has been generated, I have created the entire code. Now you need to click on this download option over there, click on the download, and please save this code on your computer, and then you have to connect your microbit. Your microbit is going to look something like this. Okay, so you have to transfer this code with the help of a USB cable from your computer to the microbit altogether, and this is exactly what is going to happen. So you can connect your microbit with the computer and you can transfer the code over there, people. And once your code is generated, you need to click on the finish option, which is available over there. And once you will click on the finish option, so now it is showing you the entire screen, people. This is all the steps exactly that we people have typed in, and then we have created a forever loop function, and this is exactly which is going to happen on your microbit the moment you people are going to download this and transfer the code onto your microbit. So once again, people, today we have learned actually how to create a flashing heart, and using Microsoft Make code, and the device on which we will be, first of all, once this entire code is generated, you need to click on the finish, and then you have to download it on your computer, which you are going to transfer to the microbit. Once you will be plugging that microbit with the help of a USB cable onto your onto your, that is, computer or the laptop, whichever you people are working on. So you can go ahead, you can connect it, and this is how the heart is going to flash. And remember, in between I was typing this small heart and then the heart. So this is a small heart that you people see in between the flashing screen. But in case if you do not need a small heart, you can make that command to be same as exactly your previous command, which is icons dot names dot heart only. There is no need for you to type in the small heart. So that's totally up to you, it's up to your need altogether, people. So I hope, people, that is today this make code that we have generated out of using the Microsoft Make code, you're really going to like it. So you may go ahead and practice on the steps that I have taught you today, and please go ahead and generate this Microsoft you can use this Microsoft Make code in order to generate the codes, and I have trained you on the flashing heart today. All right, and those people who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you people to quickly go ahead and subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that I will be bringing up your way, more innovative and creative things altogether, people. So in case if you have any queries, you can reach me on Instagram at cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on Facebook at my ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center with a space in between, and then you can also reach me on Microsoft Teams on Cherubians altogether. So this was all, people, that I have designed for you today. Thank you very much and have a nice day ahead.